Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. All right, so skill development. Skill development important. You guys, I want to give you a little background on why we're going to ask you to do some of the things we're going to ask you to do. And here's why. We want you guys to get this stuff, right? I want you to get it. We talked about, hey, commit for the next year, and some of the things you're going to pick up, some of the stuff you will do in the next year, you'll be able to use your whole lifetime. I still use the 4-step to this day. Okay, you guys, some of you know what that is, some of you don't. It's a technique to handle. I want to think about it, to take no, and turn it into a commitment to buy. And it was like life-changing for me in my dealership. So again, that's what I want you guys to be able to experience. So let's talk a little bit about how we develop skills. So some of you that have been with me one-on-one have heard this. So the first step in learning a skill is knowing what we don't know or being exposed to something. So first, that you're unconsciously incompetent. So let's take the song Happy Birthday. So there was a day you didn't know the song Happy Birthday, okay? You didn't know what you didn't know. Then you went to a couple birthday parties as a youngster, 2, 3, 4 years old, somewhere in there. You're barely talking, walking, but you're going to birthday parties because that's something kids love. I bet. So the next thing is, now you've heard this song, people have sung it several times at a birthday party, now you become consciously incompetent. You know the song, but you don't know it. You hear it, you kind of remember the tune, you're like, yeah, it sounds kind of, everybody's having fun, they're eating cake, they're blowing things out, they're getting gifts, so it's kind of a memorable song, right? You're like, hey, I want to know this song. Well, after you've gone to probably 3, 4, or 5 birthday parties, you're become now consciously competent. Maybe you don't know all the words, but you look around, you hear happy birthday, and then you start and you're like, I remember how it starts, happy birthday, and you start kind of looking around, and if there's a word or two you don't know, you kind of look over at my little buddy Jameson, my 5-year-old birthday party, and he looks over and he knows the song because he's say a year older than me, so I kind of like watch him. So now I'm consciously competent, so I can do it if I really think hard, okay? If I really sit and think, let me think about it, and then I can sing the song. Now, by the time you've gone to what, 5, 6 birthday parties, by the time you're 6, 7, 8, you're unconsciously competent with that song. Maybe 7 or 8, you're becoming unconsciously competent with that song. You can sing it on command. I can shove you in the morning, you barely got the sleepy seeds out of your eyes, and I said, sing happy birthday. Bam, you can do it. Okay, you could do it right there. So, in fact, you get so good at it, that's why I want you guys to get so good at this stuff. You get so good at it, you don't have to think about it, and then you can like put little cool things in there, okay? You can like add things to it. So like you're singing the song, you go, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, you look like a monkey. Yes, thank you. Very good. So we all can start putting these things in there. So now I can burn my buddy Jameson. I called him a monkey. So the point is I know the song so well, I don't really have to think about the song. And in the middle of the song, I think, how can I burn Jameson? I'm going to call him a monkey. So the same type of thing, if you guys learn these word tracks so well, you won't have to sit and think, what's the next thing I'm going to say? You can actually pay attention to the customer, listen to them, those types of things, and you know what you're going to say next is just going to kind of come right out. And that's a great feeling. So that's where we want to get you guys to. That's your goal, is to become unconsciously competent. Now, I don't know if you'll walk out of here today being unconsciously competent. It usually takes time, it takes spaced repetition. In fact, it takes what we're going to talk about here momentarily and how you guys can retain this. So here's happy birthday. So we don't have to sing the song. Again, I'm a slide ahead or a slide behind, but the happy birthday song, so we discussed that.